Hello everyone, welcome to this video of tightening of bolt or screw with specified torque. In this video, we will learn about the need for different types of fasteners used in various operations and the procedure to tighten these fasteners using the air impact wrench.
Need for fasteners. In the industrial field, much depends on the proper choice of fasteners to be used in each job because poorly selected fasteners might greatly lead to unsafe condition. It may increase the assembly cost. Quality of the product may get degraded or compromised. Let us now learn about threaded fasteners. Fasteners that fall into this category utilize the wedging action of screw thread for clamping pressures. To achieve maximum strength, a threaded fastener should screw into its mating part by a distance equal to 1.5 times minimum the diameter of thread. Machine screws. Machine screws are used for general assembly work. These are manufactured in both coarse and fine series and fitted with either a slotted or recessed head. Sizes vary in diameter from 1.5 mm to 12 mm and in length 2 mm to 75 mm. Machine bolts. Machine bolts are manufactured with square and hexagonal heads. They are used where a close tolerance assembly is not required. Available in diameter 6 mm to 75 mm and in length 12 mm to 300 mm. Tightening the nut on machine bolt produces clamping action. Cap screws. Cap screws are used when assembly requires a stronger, more precise and better appearing fastener. A cap screw is fitted through a clearance hole in one of the piece and screws into a threaded hole. A clamping action is developed by tightening the cap screws. Cap screws are manufactured to closer tolerance than machine bolts and produced with semi-finished bearing surface. They stocked in aluminium, brass, bronze, mild steel, alloy steel, heat-treated, stainless steel and titanium and in coarse, in fine and special thread series. Cap screws are available in diameter from 6 mm to 50 mm and in length from 10 mm to 200 mm. Nuts are not included with cap screws. Set screws. Set screws are used to prevent pulleys from slipping on shafts, positioning and holding collars in place on shafts and holding shafts in place in assemblies. Headless set screws have either a slotted or socket head and threaded entire length. Uses of headless set screw with various styles of screw points. Flat point set screw is used on parts requiring frequent adjustment. Oval point set screw is used against a shaft that has been spotted to receive it. Cone point set screw is used for setting machine parts permanently on shaft and it is used as a pivot or hanger and for adjustment. The half-dog point set screws are probably one of the most useful and it can be used as a dowel. A hole is drilled to receive the point. The full dog point set screw is suitable for use as a key that slides in a keyway. Let us now understand about the different types of screws. Self-tapping screw. To eliminate the cost of tapping, a thread-forming screw has been derived. These are designed to form a thread as they are driven. Thread cutting screws. Thread cutting screws which are hardened, cut rather than form threads. Type F cuts a standard machine thread used in castings and forgings. Type BF. This screw is recommended for die castings and plastics. Type L, widely used with plastics. Driver screws. Driver screws are simply hammered into a drilled hole or punched hole of the proper size. They make a permanent joint. Stud bolts. Stud bolts are threaded on both ends. One threaded end is designated for semi-permanent installation in a tapped hole, while the other end threaded for standard nut assembly to clamp the pieces together. Nuts. Nuts utilize a hexagonal or square head and are used with bolts with the same head shapes. They are available in various finish. Regular nut is unfinished, not machined, except on the thread. Regular semi-finished is machined on the bearing face to provide a truer surface for the washers. Heavy semi-finished are identical in finish to the regular semi-finished nut, however the body is thicker for additional strength. The jam nut or check nut is used where the strength of the full nut is not needed. They are frequently used in pairs or with standard nuts to prevent accidental unscrewing of the first nut. Castle and slotted nut have milled slots across the flats, so that can be locked with a cotter pin or split pin or safety wire that is inserted through the slot and a hole drilled in the bolt to prevent the nut from turning loose. A corn nut or cap nut are used when appearance is of primary importance or where projecting threads must be protected. They are available in low or high crown styles. The wing nut is used for parts that are frequently disassembled and reassembled. It can be loosened or tightened rapidly without the need of a wrench. Nuts are manufactured in the same material as the bolts. To tighten bolt or screw with specified torque. Select a proper power tool for fastening. Select an impact wrench power tool operated by compressed air for tightening and loosening nuts. Check the air impact wrench is connected to the air line. Select correct size of socket which can withstand sudden impact force. Select 6-point impact socket. Fit the socket on the air impact wrench. Set the direction of spin forward or backward with the help of wrench lever. Set the torque by turning the valve to increase or decrease. Insert the impact socket on the wheel leg nut. Trigger the switch of the impact wrench to loosen and remove the nut.
In this video, we learnt the need for fasteners in assembling components, types of threaded fasteners and screws, procedure to tighten bolt or screw with specific torque. Thank you for watching.